wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kadi. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I'm back with another hair tutorial video. I've literally had my braids in for like a month now, my knotless braids, and guys, if you know me, I don't keep my hair for this long. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your braids look fresh and new and cute. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing you're going to need wipes, or you can use anything really that's like, I don't know, wet, to literally clean your scalp and make it look, you know, clean, because you know braids are just messy because we use a lot of products on our braids sometimes. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it with the wipes and just make sure it's clean. As you guys can see, yeah, it's a mess. It's dirty. It's really dirty. But yes, so I'll first go ahead and use this braid sheen spray. I'm just gonna spray this, you know, around my scalp, my braids, you know, just kind of like massage that into my scalp, guys. It feels so good, you know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna massage that into my scalp, and I'm gonna literally like hold my hair to one side. This is not cute, guys. It's not cute. But yeah, so I'm just gonna hold it to one side so that I can start like doing it one by one. So I'll now go ahead and use some of my Shine and Jam gel, and I'm literally gonna apply that onto my hair, and I'm just going to literally put it around the braids. And yeah, just make sure I spread it everywhere. As you guys can see, my edges are not edging right now, guys. Like, they're not doing it because I feel like my edges are so thin, like I feel like they're so thin, but it's still cute. It's still cute. So I just go ahead and kind of like brush it together, like just to kind of make it look more neat and put it together. And I'm just literally just gonna brush it, yeah, you know. So I'll just go ahead and use a rat tail comb just to literally, you know, use the end of it to like you know, section my hair properly again, just to make it look neat. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my clips that I got from the hair shop, and I'm literally gonna start by twisting the knotless braids. I'm gonna twist it. This kind of just like helps tighten the braids, you know, it tightens it, yeah. So it just helps to tighten the braids, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it. Yeah, we'll clip it. You clip it and you leave it there, okay? So now guys, I'll just go ahead and literally do the same thing for every single one of them. Well, not all of them, just the front. Also, don't forget guys, you can actually do this for every single one of your braids if you want, but I just want to do like the front section and also some of the second line. So it's up to you if you want to come and do everything. If you want to give yourself work, that's fine, but me, I just decided that I want to do just the front. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. Keep watching, guys. So guys, these are knotless braids, just in case if you don't know, and also you can do this on box braids as well. This just literally save you some time and saving you doing your hair all the time, guys, because yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. Even I'm fed up of doing my hair all the time, yeah. But yeah guys, knotless braids are just the best because it's less tension on your head, and it's just literally natural, and you can keep it for such a long time, okay? So once you're done doing that, you're just gonna go ahead and tie your head. I'm just gonna use my scarf to tie my head. Yeah, so just be careful guys, you don't tie it too tight because you've got clips on your hair. So just kind of like take your time, and obviously try and also like make sure you do your edges the way you want them, and you know, before you go ahead and tie your head. So I'm just, you know, vibing right now and just chilling, waiting for it to just, you know, marinate. But yeah, so now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the clips and we're gonna see the results, okay? So once I take off the clips, I'm gonna use my olive oil mousse, hair mousse. You can use any mousse that you have, but this is my favorite. I use olive oil for literally everything. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that onto my scalp. Gosh guys, this feels so good because it just feels so nice. You know when you're doing your hair and it's like you finish doing your hair, this is the best part. Yeah, this is the best part, I can tell you. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my olive oil sheen spray just to kind of like give my hair some shine. You know, we need to shine, we need to stand out, guys. Like, we just need to shine, okay? So I'm just gonna give it some shine, and it's also gonna kind of like melt or take away the mousse that I have on my hair. And I also went ahead and tied my hair one more time, baby. Go, guys, this is fantabulous. But anyways, I just went ahead and touch up my makeup because, you know, I was playing with my forehead a bit, you know. So I just go ahead and just do some touch up and then use a bit of my setting spray, and we are about to look cute. Guys, this is so cute. I don't like, are you guys feeling the vibes? You feeling the vibes? Like, this is just, and guys, don't forget, you can do any style you want to do after doing this, but I feel like all up will just look cute, especially because I didn't do everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.